Another experiment on plant nutrition to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis. In continuation of whatever we had done before, so this was the potted plant which we had destarched. After destarching, we had put, now this is a black paper that we clamped or we stapled onto the leaf on both sides. So what happens is only this part of the leaf which is covered by the black paper does not get sunlight, whereas these two parts get the sunlight. Now we have kept this in the sunlight for 6 hours and we are now ready to process this, the same leaf, to check the need for light, to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis. And we are now removing the staples. After removing it, we will process it in the same way that we had done for the presence of starch in the leaf. So now this is the leaf which was covered with a black paper. The experiment is the same. We now put the leaf in the hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes time so that the leaf becomes soft. And after 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to transfer the leaf into a boiling tube containing methylated spirit. So now after 3 minutes, the leaf which was kept in the hot water, we have now transferred it into the methylated spirit. And now we will keep this in a hot water bath so that in the hot water bath, the methylated spirit extracts the chlorophyll content. And the precaution is we can't put the boiling tube directly on the heat because it is highly volatile and it will catch fire. That's the reason why we are using a hot water bath. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes time for the chlorophyll to completely leach out into the methylated spirit. Now it's exactly 15 minutes later. We have removed, you can see the color of the methylated spirit. It is green in color. And once again, I wish to reiterate that instead of methylated spirit, we can also use surgical spirit or acetone. The result will be the same. Now we will remove the leaf from the methylated spirit. And now we will use a wash bottle to wash away the excess of the spirit. So now you see that Ameer is washing the leaf gently in normal water. Now after keeping it in methylated spirit, the leaf becomes brittle. So I request all of you who are trying this experiment in the respective schools, please be gentle while you wash it, that the leaf may not break. Now you see that the white colored leaf, over the white colored leaf, when we are adding drops of iodine, let's see where all we see the blue-black color. Now you see that the blue-black color is at the upper part of the leaf and the lower part of the leaf. The central part of the leaf doesn't show any reaction to iodine. That means no starch is formed here. Starch is formed in this part and this part. So though this leaf had carbon dioxide, it also had water, it had chlorophyll, but because it did not receive any sunlight, there was no photosynthesis in this region. That's the reason why we can prove that light is necessary for photosynthesis. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing this experiment, and we welcome you to come to the Science Academy for the hands-on learning experience, and I would request you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.